Lord of peace and justice, we humbly come before you during this time of escalating geographical tensions in our part of the world. Through the years, we have sustained our faith in you as a nation. It is our faith in your divine providence that has made us survive the countless natural and human-caused calamity that have our way from history as a people. Spare us